DEFQON.1.
DEFQON.1 is right at the door. This is the biggest hard festival on the planet. The biggest, the best, the hardest. Every warrior will attend this festival. If you're one of those warriors, then I have some survival tips for you, my friend. Also, I'm recording the TTS demo Daniel guy from 2015 memes because it is 10 times more difficult to talk to the camera than making this talk instead of me. Let's begin with the first tip. Dutchies don't do breakfast, so if you prefer to eat something other than a toastie before you start dancing, do a supermarket shop and pick up breakfast supplies. The weather is super unpredictable. You'll need to have versatile outfits that you can strip down layers when it gets hot and potentially put back on later at night when it gets cool. Make friends with people who have charging facilities available, as regular campsite has no available power. You can pay for a charger and locker for a fee, but this isn't as skits as getting to know your neighbors and friends or comfort camping. Wear hearing protection. You absolutely need this for several days of banging tunes, and the sound systems do not disappoint. Comfortable rave appropriate shoes are essential. No street shoes or random footwear. Stick to the classics like Air Max and TNS since you'll need the cushioning desperately. The showers in general camping tend to be cold. To beat the lines and grab some of the rare hot water, it is best to shower first thing in the early morning around 7ish. Then go back to bed for a clean snooze or jump in for a quick rinse once you finish your day of partying in the early morning. Hydrate constantly. Not just alcohol, you'll need lots of H2O in order to have the energy come day 4. But seriously, for your health, please drink enough water because alcohol makes you urinate way more than you should. You will dry out as a desert. 4 days of dehydration is a serious issue. Be safe. Dress to impress. The spookiest and craziest outfits are always the best conversation starters. If you have no riz like Slendy, this is an absolute must. Protect your skin either with sunscreen or a skits bucket hat. I don't want you to look like Mr. Krabs or Larry the Lobster. There is a gym at DEFQON.1 if you wanna get a cheeky pump on forces. It can be worth taking a spare workout change of clothing if you want to use the gym and not destroy your festival outfit with sweat. Be kind to others. Help out those in need. Look after your mates and always give the boys a big smooch at the yellow stage. Take sleeping earplugs if you don't like the sound of terrorcore blasting at your campsite around 3 AM. If you do like that, then join the party at the tent next door. Respect the personal space of other dancers as much as you can. Red stage can get particularly packed, so a bit of awareness goes a long way. Take your refillable water bottle if you have one from last year. You can always buy another one at the festival, but if you want to save a couple dollars or euro, then you can reuse one from a previous edition. Take a lock for your tent and a flashlight. Head torch for late at night in the campsite. These are the most important tips for you to be able to survive 4 days of madness. But of course, if you don't subscribe to the channel and don't like the video, you won't even survive the first day. Press those buttons for extra health points.